Why me? Always me.
Oh, boy, baby.
God damn it. Fuck you. Thank you.
No problem.
Go on up.
Duffels.
Fuck. Hey.
Go, go.
You should see all the people trying to camp me.
They tried to kill me.
Come
Fuck
back,
these people.
Lord.
What?
Come back.
Yeah.
Wow, where's everybody gone? There's only 5 left.
Go, 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 go. Someone
I
come
am
down.
6C.
Don't even bother getting back. DZ's starting to block now.
Yeah, but we might actually do it, so get back.
How the fuck do you want me to get back?
Rescue or ghost.
Wow, shit powers just popped me.
Suka! Fuck! Fucking towers.
I'm dead.
Same.
We go or we aren't going?
Don't we need go?
Oak.
We need
Oh, it's
it.
killing me, I'm dead.
Lag and tower. God damn it. Move off the tower, I can target it.
Yeah, somebody get off the tower.
Holy crap, again, those fucking barrels.
Go up.
Tap,
Up.
fort.
Up.
Move for your lives! Yeah,
Sit on
nice.
first.
Always me. Go fuck you fucking boy! God damn it, I'm dead.
Sit guys on first and all will be okay.
What you mean?
Sit on first.
Yeah, we do need to set on fort.
I'm on fort.
Do I need to go back?
Yes.
Zeus is here. Into dark.
Are you guys holding?
Well, this is easy sitting on fort. Oh, Carla boys just popped. Oh, Lee.
B8, B8.
Not much you can do if I'm just chained, sitting on the fort.
How much towers?
Get ready to get on B8.
Make sure we don't fucking plant towers again, because I'm coming back.
Hermes still PvP?
Oak.
B8 quick.
Yeah.
Wow, that was a quick ghost.
I need to run. He's gonna get me otherwise.
I have 38 ghosts, but no one on ship. Sad.
Get on B8 quick.
Am I meant to pause it while I'm on the way back?
You can do, yeah.
Hermes, where are you going?
On first.
Get it clean?
Yes.
I will try CC.
Move, Trev, move.
Oh, I did it. Oh my god, guys, this can be ours.
His accent's so good.
You should be a storyteller.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. I love stories.
In real.
Wow, who was that?
He's still
Is
in.
that
Yeah.
Zeus? Zeus is bumfucked. There was like four of them right there.
It is not. No. I will kill this tower when you PvP.
You are the best ever, dude. Let me just tell you that right now.
I know.
Get on behind,
Sad,
get on behind.
sad just only now. God damn it, help me, please.
Fuck sake.
Kill B8, kill B8.
James.
I'm shooting him as fast as I can, mate.
Nice. I guess that was tower. Please let me kill that fort. I'm deserved it.
Wow, he's ghosting like crazy, BA. Every time.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah,
sure how
I'm
he
gonna
finishes.
die.
And
Oh, he's fucking CC'd.
Got 2 rescues left. This is horrible.
Get the foot, get the foot. There's 2 towers left.
Don't care.
Fuck him.
who just PM'd me? Oh,
BA.
BA's back.
Oh, Chris has just been popped.
BA's on me, BA.
oh, there's Alice Days. Wait for me.
Wow, BA, did you see really just F5?
Nah, he
Or
got
did he get
locked.
logged?
Don't let him shame me.
We need fireman.
Yeah, we've got this now. Not much they can do if we're on the fort. Don't let him CC, because he
I hope
bums
someone
it.
taped this.
We this time are quick. This tower will die from my hand. I mean cannons.
Oh, he's ghosted already. He's on me, he's on me. No, he's not.
Me. He's not using
Did they-
chains though.
I want
don't know how long I've got left.
He was using chains on me before.
I'm again. God damn it.
Shit,
Hey,
Bow's
did he
ghosted
mine
now as
ended?
well.
How long's left on your screen capture?
Only 5 minutes 40 in, right?
Mine, I didn't pause it when we was going back, so
Me and James will kill the last tower.
Wow, that was a fast ghost.
Yeah, I see that.
Where are you going?
RMS almost.
Shit, Bauer.
Wasted.
Ooh, ghosted.
Now
Oh,
it's
he's on
only
me.
PvP
Oh, no,
and
you don't.
fort.
Oh, no, you
Fail
don't.
ghost they
Get
got.
off me.
So,
Get on him.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
That fool's got no restores left.
David, move.
Holy crap, a lot of us just came back then.
good fight, guys.
Woo! I hope that was my PvP because I only got 0.
Oh, he fallen. Get off the fort.
Jeez, dude.
Get fucking dead.
Bolt Slayer.
Bomb! It's mine fort. Fuck Lee! Grats!
yeah.
Holy crap, did he actually just die that quick? I didn't even see his hull.